Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again in this semester. In this semester, I teach language assessment subject. This is the overview of the subject. Language assessment. In this semester, I teach at class C and class SL. This subject handled by Professor Dr. Baso Jabu M. Hum and I, Dr. Haja Geminas Titi Sakir, SPD MPD. This subject present in semester 5 and consists of 3 SKS. And the schedule of this subject for class C in Friday 7:30 until 9:10, and for SL classroom in Monday 9:10 until 11:40. Every subject in university consists of 16 meetings. That consists of the first meetings usually cover the introduction, overview of the subject, and lecture contract like this one. And in the half of the subject of the meeting, it means that in egg meeting there is mid test, and the last meeting there is a final test. Objective and significance of this subject. The objective is this course aims at equipping students with theoretical knowledge of the principles and forms of language assessment. Besides, it is intended to train and give practical experience to the student to construct, evaluate, and analyze language assessment. The significance of this subject. This course is expected to be useful for providing theoretical and practical knowledge and experience to students to measure and evaluate teaching and learning achievement in a variety of forms, types, and purposes of assessment based on language assessment construction criteria. This course descriptions. This course covers language teaching and testing and assessment, authentic assessment, performance, project, portfolio assessment, problems in language assessment, purposes and types of language assessment, criteria of assessment, correspondence of syllabus and assessment, subjective and objective test, assessment of language elements and skills, the test specifications and procedure of test constructions, test scoring, score interpretation, test evaluation, and direct experience in constructing and evaluating language tests based on types, purposes, and criteria of good language assessment construction. And this is the scheme among of the course topics. There are language teaching and assessment, approach and problems in language assessment, purpose, types, and criteria of language teaching, of language testing, syllabus and test, subjective and objective test, language elements and skills, test scoring and interpretation, test evaluation, and test construction. And the specific instructional objectives of this subject, they are to overview measurement in general and language measurement, to overview language testing and assessment, to identify the relation between language teaching and language assessment, to identify the authentic assessment, project, performance, and portfolio, to identify the process assessment, to identify the approach generally used in constructing language assessment, to identify the problems that may occur in language assessments in practice, to identify types and purposes of language assessment, to identify the good language test criteria, to evaluate the relation between learning objectives and measurement and assessment, to differentiate objective and subjective tests, to construct language tests in the forms of discrete point and integrated skills, to construct assessment of language components, to construct assessments of language skills, to identify the constructs of English language test specification, blueprint, to identify the procedure of language test construction, to interpret test scores, to evaluate English language tests, and to construct English language tests. This is all of the specific instructional objectives that the students get after join this course. Teaching learning strategy. In this semester, we still use online learning. In the first meeting, like today, the course is given in the form of lecturing and discussing on the plan on this course during the semester, topics, assignment, and etc. And next meeting, we will presentation based on the certain topics, followed by discussion and assignment. And then there is teaching aids, printed materials such as tests of senior high school and junior high school and senior high school tests, and there is visual media such as multimedia computer, LCD projector, and internet facilities. And there is evaluation. Evaluation consists of the two. There are mid-semester tests and final project on constructing tests based on the specification, tryout, analysis, and reporting. And there are many reference of this subject. There is main references, and there is supporting reference that recommended to you to read about the language assessments. And the main references, we suggest that you read the book from Professor Baso Jabu 2008 with title English Language Testing, and then the book from Heaton, Writing English Language Test, and then there is Charles and Caroline and Diane book, a language test construction and evaluation, and Henning book about a guide to language testing, development, evaluation, and research. And you may find all of books about this subject. Of this subject, there is participation in classroom activities, and then mid-semester test, take-home assignment, individual or group, and then there is final project. This is the aspect score and criteria of final score. So there are many score that you can take it in this subject, from A minus, B plus, until E, error. So please make attention for your participation of classroom activities, for your home assignment, your mid and final project. Okay, there is a wise sentence before I close my overview about the subject. Exams test your memory, life test your learning, and others will test your patience. Fennel Hudson. Okay, thank you very much for your listening. I think that's all. If any question, please contact us and we will discuss in this in WA, in WhatsApp group. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.